Hello guys, Daniel here. In today's video, I'm gonna rank all the natural monster in Mossing Monster, starting with Noggin, one of the first monster you get. I think I can rank it on B tier, Belief in Monster. I mean, it didn't do much on the island, but at least it make a little bit of peace when you first start the island. Bartley, Cyborg Air, C tier. Sorry, Bartley, it didn't do much, but at least it makes sounds. Sort of. I think it's gonna be behind Noggin in B tier also. Mimic, one of the main one. Amazing. I think. Oh wait, no B tier. Tito. I think Tito comes then behind this guy. Tito is greater, but yeah. Then Didu. I think then Didu can present this one. I mean, then Didu is great, but sometimes it's not on most of the islands, so I think I can buff. Also, didn't make any sound. Cybob here. Okay, let's do. I want to kind of like this one, so Cybob Air. Quibble. Oh, Quibble. Air is one of my favorite Quibbles. Amazing. More. Believe in monster, but this guy comes and behind Toy Camera. Pango. Didn't make much sound, but I like the cat. I like the instrument that I use. So keep going. This guy comes then behind more. Shrub. Didn't do much on the island. Sometimes it's super quiet. So this one's sorry, Beats Boxer. Do. This guy, I have no idea, but Saboteur. Sorry, kind of worse. Oh, Fracon. Super Tree. Oh my god, this guy is the main character. No one wants him. I mean, everyone wants him. Frog. Frog stand on. I would say behind. Oh wait, in front of Pango. Trumpler. Trumpler is great. I kind of like Trumpler, so amazing. But behind Cribble. Reeling. Oh, I love Reeling. But I also like Dendidu, not on much of the island. So I'm gonna play this guy on. Oh wait, I think Believe in Monster. It may sound great, so it's gonna be behind more Sponge. Oh, I like the whistle. I love the whistle a lot. So this guy can say, but more than Wailing is not on most island. Yeah, okay. Chumpies, the copycat. Copy mammoth all the time, so don't play this guy. I mean, you have its own game, so don't make it on behind Cybob. No, actually, wait. In front of Cybob. You have Scups. No, most people don't like this, but I kind of like this monster. But also not on most islands, so behind more, but in front of Reeling. Pon. I love the sound of her. Here, okay, that's the perfect place. Pon also one of the main characters. Concord. This one. No, wait, actually, let's go further. Yeah, he didn't on much island, and also he's worse. Pumbo, he is super small sound, but Here. Next stop is Clambo. Oh, Clambo. I think Seba Bear. Here. Oh God. Oh, the goat. Hey. Okay. Next up, T-Rex. Let's place it here. No wait, this person on the first. Believe in monster. Now next up is Shelby. Shelby's gonna place it here. Just like a better version of T-Rex and Trumpler. Yeah, of course. Oh, I love the chores. Oh wait, not there. I'm gonna place it here. No wait, just behind this guy. Beach. I love how he bunch the ice. So I'm gonna place it right upper rip. Quite like him, but not like Mouse Island. I kind of like the gold version of him, so let's put him right better than here. Oh, this guy, I like this guy. I mean, most of the guys will say, "Oh, what? This guy is trash." Well, listen, this guy is important for Plant Island, so I love him. But also, he's kind of worse. He's gonna be upper Cyber Bear. Mimic. I mean, Mimic is not only the mimic monster, there's also a lot of monsters that also mimic other monsters, like Bertempera or any other monster. So this guy gonna be staying here. And that's it. We still have a lot of monsters, but this is my plant. This is my natural tier list. So please tell me what you think of this. If you agree, tell me in the comments. But if you think you want to change, then tell me in the comments what you want to change about. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.